Umitang ba ka jala Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma ulong ba kamdon kanu ka jimanjur ya ka Uniform Civil Code UCC Bill da ka yeng dor bar thawain ka Raja Sabha ka khandai trik nopra arjar arpuar haba jubab ya ka jingli nong thawain ka VPP na maurang kaneng ba Livingstone Kharpran ha ka kenta gali jingli ha ka si basan ka dor bar mangtengka jong ka yeng dor bar thawain ka jala ha ka sau trik luber arjar pulai umitang ba ulong ba ka ne ka bill ka de ka private member bills but kam de ka balwan ra dak sarkar.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 47. Sir, no bill regarding UCC has been passed by the Rajya Sabha on the said date.
Explanation has already been done. The questions are supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, if not on this date, sir, whether the Government of India has passed this bill or not?
Sir, just for the benefit of the House, the UCC Bill 2022 was introduced as a private member's bill. It was not introduced by Government of India. Private members' bills are brought in by individuals at their individual level and capacity. So the bill has been brought in as a private member's bill, not by the government, number one. And number two, sir, in the list of pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, this one is number 100. So it is there, it was introduced as a private member's bill, and that was also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, then Somai, please.
So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, in that case, whether that UCC bill was passed as a private member's bill in the Lok Sabha or the government's bill introduced in the Lok Sabha?
So I'm repeating, sir, this bill was a private member's bill, not Government of India bill. Number two, it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And number three, it has been introduced, and that's also. There's no passage of any of this bill, sir. It's just introduced and it's pending as a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha.